Welcome to Pure Octane Garage
We bring you detailing information.
and other automotive goodness.
Hey, is it goodness like graphene ceramic coating?
This is a lot of goodness.
It is. Hey, real quick, please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, share it with friends, and check out that giant orange shirt. I say giant. It's not giant. It's bright.
What are you saying?
That's kind of mean.
What are you
That's
saying?
kind of mean. It's just bright. I meant to say bright. Wrong adjective.
But yes, merch. Check out
That's
our merch. Link down in the description, right?
Yep.
Right. We appreciate it.
My words are coming out wrong today, so I apologize in advance.
You've been warned.
All right. Back to what we were pointing at. Adam's Graphene Ceramic Coating Kit. It's time, right?
Yeah, it's the whole kit.
We teased it a while back.
We did. We did an unboxing of this.
Yeah, it's pretty basic unboxing,
many moons
right?
ago. Check out the video. I'm sure the link will be in the description.
Yeah. So today we're actually going to use it.
Yep, it's the day.
And everything's out that's part of the kit. There's an empty box.
So let's give them an overview of the kit, and then we can show, I guess,
we'll
what's all in
hit
there.
bullet points, kind of talk about it, what's in it, and then we'll talk about what we're doing with it, actually. So, hey, first to start off, I've got these bottles. I'm going to tell them what they are. We got some surface prep that came in this kit, like the giant nozzle on the little bottle.
Tiny bottle, giant nozzle.
And obviously, I'm not going to use this one today. This is ceramic boost. It's for your maintenance.
Maintenance, right.
You know, the spray, it's basically a, just a kind of a spray ceramic sealant in a way, kind of, just to boost. Use this every couple months. You don't need to use it very often, not every wash.
And it just keeps the coating healthy, correct?
Exactly.
I know I probably oversimplified that by saying it just keeps it healthy, but
and
I don't know.
I just wanted to make sure I'm
Seems
right.
that
Is a
is
spray-on
the thing.
ceramic sealant. Increases protection and gloss on Adam's paint coatings even further. Also could be used as standalone, but obviously they included it in the kit. So we'll put that over there because we don't need that today. But we do need the surface prep. And then we got these cool suede towels, right?
Yep. Oh, and instructions.
So these are the towels that they give you to remove when you get their full kit. Here, removing the graphene ceramic coating after it's applied. You can, from what I've read, you can use your normal microfiber towels too.
So that's for after you put down the coating and it flashes.
Yep, that's your.
The cloth for leveling it and everything.
Exactly.
Right? Or
if you want to say buffing it off, yeah.
Yeah.
And then great instructions, right?
Yes, instructions.
Check that out. They give you a nice card. We're not going to read them all.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
There you go. You got your step 1 preparation, step 2 installation application, and then of course it tells you how to maintain it.
Recommended maintenance. Nice.
More products. But anyways, we can say this real quick.
I mean, yeah, let's tell them what
for the preparation step. It says you'll need before you're going to apply your coating, you'll need your surface prep and 2 single soft polishing towels. Those were included in the kit too. They're on our cart.
Yep.
The single soft microfiber towels. So I didn't put those out here. Those were included with this also. And then 2, for installation, you just need that graphene ceramic coating bottle. Nice glass bottle.
This little glass
Don't
bottle
drop it.
Here. Let's see so I can
It's thick though.
see if you can see that.
And then 2 suede applicators.
That's these guys.
Those are
here.
cool, little
very
foam
nice.
suede blocks.
Very, very nice.
We got the 2 micro suede towels that we mentioned, and they do throw in a pair of nitrile gloves.
Oh, right, there were gloves.
Those are over there too. But anyways, they have a great video too on their website.
They do.
Watched, right?
Highly recommend you watch their Adams Polishes video on the
because this is our first coating.
Ceramic
this
coating.
is our first real traditional coating that we've ever done.
Yeah, we've been doing the more of the do-it-yourself friendly ceramic sprays, spray coatings, and the graphene spray
coatings
coatings
very easy to use.
Now hitting them, very easy to use, very forgiving.
So, little nervous, but I shouldn't be. After watching everything, I think you said this too, overly worried when we don't need to.
Yeah,
but we'll see.
Trying not to overthink it.
We'll see if we screw it up. No.
I mean, Adams, their videos that they've done on this, they make it very user-friendly looking.
And their products are designed for you and me. Like the driveway detailer that, we're taking it up a notch from, your basic waxes and whatnot, right?
Yeah.
So let's, I'm going to talk about, we'll talk bullet points on the actual coating. Has the patent pending UV tracing with the flashlight. That was a
right.
part of the kit too. Also on the cart. You'll see
Okay.
this stuff in our video though. So we've left a few things out of there. Those weren't in the box. That's why I didn't put them out here. They shipped in its own little box. It's a 9H hardness, 7+ years of ceramic protection or more. Well, 7+ or more. That's like redundant, but
Yeah, I guess if you maintain it properly.
I guess so. That's a long time. So we've got the 60 ml bottle, says accommodates for larger surfaces. That's true. When looking at coatings, a lot of them are a little smaller bottles. So
They are.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a good sized bottle for that.
60 mil.
Provides extreme hydrophobicity, slickness, gloss, and depth of color. Extremely durable protection, repels water and elements. This is the best part. Free to apply to everything. Painted surfaces, glass, headlights, chrome, trim, wheels, and even bed liners. That's cool.
Literally everything except for the tires.
Everything but the tires. You can ceramic coat your engine. No.
Actually,
You probably
in
could.
the video, one of the videos I watched, they were talking about, those plastic covers in your engine cover
all the
or
trim
in your
work on there.
engine bay. I guess you
I
can
know what
coat
you mean.
those.
So let's point out, we'll kind of go over our steps here. We've actually already started. We prepped the car without this yet. We've washed. We did a strip wax. I can't get it out. I told you the words are hard today.
They are hard.
Strip wax. We use strip wash
Or
to remove
prep
anything.
wash or whatever you want to. Different names for that.
So the car's clean.
Very clean.
And rinsed. We're going to go through and we're going to clay.
Yes. Clay it.
And then we're going to use our surface prep after that, right?
Yes.
And then we're going to wipe that down, and then we're going to move right straight into the coating. So,
No, actually, you missed one.
what'd I do?
He missed one. So we're gonna clay it, and then we're gonna do a.
That's right.
We're gonna do a polish.
I missed the big step.
That's
the
a big
manual
one.
labor.
That's a lot of
Duh.
labor.
Yeah, that's right. We are going to do that after the clay.
We're gonna do a polish with a DA.
Then we're going to do this.
Then we're gonna do the prep
That's
before
right.
the right.
Told you I'm off today.
So,
You'll
but
keep
yes.
me in check.
So we've already washed the vehicle really well, dried it. Next is the clay.
Yep. So all this will be in the video because, as you can see,
But yeah,
we're
you'll
gonna,
see it. You'll
get some
you'll
time
be
lapse of
along
everything. Yep.
for the ride.
So hey, I think that's it. Let's we'll make points that we need to point out during the video. We'll wrap this thing up too and talk about it when we're done.
Yeah, we'll talk about our experience applying it. Again, we've done everything that this requires many hundreds of times before this.
Yeah.
Other than the actual application of the coating.
Yeah. So none of that stuff's new.
We've done preps before, and
Polished and,
so the only part that's new to us
the actual application.
is actually putting on the coating.
I feel at ease though. I feel better now.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We'll be fine.
Let's make sure we're fine. Let's go.
So let's get started. We got a lot of work to do.
Let's do it.
Apply the Adams Polishes Graphene Ceramic Coating. Check that out. It glows blue so you can
The bottle's glowing.
so you can see if you missed any spots, which right now there's no coating on it at all. So
So you missed a lot.
I did. I missed the whole dang vehicle. All right, so here we go. I shook this up because I noticed there was like a little settling at the bottom. So I shook it up really well, and here we go. Oh gosh, it's Ryan proof.
Baby proofed. We really don't want to drink that. Don't drink any chemicals.
I'm not sniffing it, but it does not smell good.
No. Actually, we commented it smells exactly like the graphene ceramic spray, right?
Yes, it does. Actually, maybe a little more intense. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the cap back on,
Adam said that was important. I don't know his name. The guy that was doing the Adams video, right?
Correct.
So you cap it when each time.
Cap's back on, the bottle's here so I don't knock it over. And I'm just gonna do a quarter of the hood here.
All right, you're on.
All right, so being white, it's a little bit challenging to see. Actually, a quarter of the hood is a lot. Does it look like it's getting dry to you? Do I need more?
Go the other way. I think you're good.
I just can't quite.
I can see the line.
I think white is just challenging.
Yes, it is.
Okay, we go right to the center. Let me get in here really good, right to this body line. Okay, I can actually see it up towards you, the audience, but I cannot see it very good in front of me on this white vehicle.
All right, guys, you can see it's dark out now. We finished.
Yep, we have now applied the Adams Polishes Graphene Ceramic Coating.
Very graphic.
Graphene Ceramic Coating.
It's late. We've been working a lot.
Yeah.
So it's gonna take you, putting the coating on is a day job.
Yeah, or
to do all the steps.
you could even do it like in a weekend, like prep one day.
Yeah, and then coat another
and
day.
then coat the next day. Because we spent, what would you think, like 2 hours putting the actual coating on?
Now we're slower because it's new to us.
Yeah, and we
did every surface.
double checked and rechecked.
Yeah, we did a lot of light wash.
So the only thing we didn't coat was the rims,
Correct.
the wheels,
We didn't do the wheels.
but we did the glass and all the plastic trim.
So overall, actually way easier than I expected to use.
Yeah.
We'll see when we pull this thing out in the sun if we did a good job.
We have not seen it in the sun yet.
The light confuses us a little bit. We can see where we worked, but we see more than that. I don't know. We'll see in the sun.
Yeah,
right?
we can definitely see it's all over the vehicle.
It's not perfectly even everywhere.
Right.
In the dark, so it kind of freaked us out. But the car looks great, and the
Yeah.
LED lights. We'll see in the sun.
And it feels amazing.
Yeah. So
again,
I'm hoping it's just that's. I don't know. We don't know. We've never done it before.
Yeah, so if you guys know, what's your experience with it?
Yeah.
But it went down easy. We just took our time and
Buffed off easy.
yeah.
Biggest problem I have with it is the smell.
Yeah,
It smells like the spray ceramic graphene coating from Adams.
right. It's an odd smell, but that's it is what it
And
is.
then one other thing we wanted to point out, that little bottle they give you of the prep spray. I don't think it's
overused.
We used it all.
What was it? 4 ounces?
Yeah.
It's like that
it
barely
went
made
fast.
it.
But other than that, I mean, hey, the kit's great. The suede little blocks were awesome, and hey, I had a good time. I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm actually tired too, and it wasn't from this. It was all the prep
We
work.
did polish. We did a step of, as you saw, we polished.
Yeah.
Wash.
Yeah.
We did everything.
Wash, clay bar, polish, and then a wipe down
Yeah.
with the prep spray.
So we've touched this vehicle a lot today.
Yeah, a lot of touching.
But it's okay though. No, it wasn't harmed.
Again, I recommend this if you want a good, long, lasting coating. It was easy
Blow it
to
up.
use. Yeah, check it out. Pretty dang cool. Yeah, I don't know. It was a good experience.
Yeah. I say
I would
if
use
it
this.
lasts and it does a great job,
Yeah.
why not?
And then you just maintain it with the ceramic boost or the
Graphene detail spray.
Yep.
You've got your options there. And then you know what we're gonna do? We'll check back in our videos here and there, give you a little update. We'll maybe do a maintenance wash, see how it's going
Yeah.
here and there over the course of the next however long.
Yeah, we could even show
stick around.
We could even show the hydrophobic properties.
I think it's a good idea. Yeah,
Yeah.
we should do that.
Okay.
All right. I think we can wrap it up. We're
Yeah,
tired. We're just gonna
it was a
talk.
full day.
All right, guys. I appreciate you watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, ring notification bell. Hope you liked. If you like videos like this, let us know. If you want to see something else, let us know. And until the next time.
Yep, and thank you for watching. We'll see you.
Appreciate you later.
Now every noise possible. Amazon, UPS, FedEx, birds, coyotes,